Hello, friends. Welcome to elementary algebra lessons. So today we talk about absolute value of a number. Okay, so what is the absolute value number? Absolute value of a number is nothing but in a number line, you start from zero and goes to either positive direction or negative direction, and the distance that it covers is known as the absolute value of that number. Okay, it's just a distance, regardless of whether that number is positive or negative in the number line. We just take the distance from the number zero, from zero position. Okay, let's see what it is. So now, if you when you take an absolute number of the number, you have to use the two bar. This is a symbol of absolute value. So you just switch the number in between two lines. Okay, and when you take the absolute value, you get a positive number. Always remember, when you take absolute value of any number, it is going to be positive. Okay, it's never going to be negative. So next thing is, if you look at the number line, here is my number line. It starts from zero, and there is a position positive direction, and there is number 10, and at this point the positive 10 is anyway positive. Okay, but taking absolute value will give me a number that is the distance between 0 and 10. Okay, regardless of whether it is a positive or negative number. I don't care. At this point, number is positive, so we are lucky that absolute value is also positive. Okay, but anyway, if it is negative, doesn't matter. Still, the number is going to be positive. Okay, so here is the absolute value of a negative number. So if I put a negative number and take its absolute value, I'm going to get a positive value again. Okay, so this is very clear that absolute value is never going to be negative. Okay, and now I'm going to the negative direction, and my value is 0. Starting point is 0 and ending point is negative 10. Okay, and the negative value is absolute value is negative, is positive 10. Okay, that is the absolute value of a negative 10. Okay, so I hope you learned about the absolute value correctly. And if you have any question, please post your question in the comment box. And also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.